Hello guys, this is Jatin Shrivastava. Here I am with a new video set on off-page SEO technique, that is business listing. So listing of business over some platform is known as business listing. So as we used to start, we have used to have a quick recap of what we have done earlier. So the last lecture we discussed about forum posting, its importance, how to post on for different forums, what is the best strategies to do it, websites, and the current scope. So all of them we have discussed in the last lecture. If you haven't gone through the last lecture, request to go through it first and then switch on this lecture, or you can start right away from this lecture as well. So let's jump on to today's lecture. So in this we have business listing. So we will come to know about define business listing. What do you understand by NAP? Need. What is the need of business listing and website where you can list your business? Let's get started. So in the definition we have, listing your business online to increase your presence is known as business listing. You have a business, it doesn't depend whether it is online or not. You have a business, just list it over the business listing website, and to show your presence both online and offline. Okay, that is why basically business listing is done. If you do not have your own website and you would like others to know about your business, you can simply list your business over the platforms. So what is NAP? Generally most of the websites ask for NAP. NAP is name, address and phone number to get your listing approved in their website. Okay, and what is the need? As I have already introduced you, need is whenever you search for a business. Example, I search for nearest salon. My business, if it's listing on the business listing website, then it will come at the top of the results, helping getting good leads and hence added revenue. For example, I started a new salon in, let's say, Sector 34 Chandigarh, but I do not have any online presence. So what I can do basically to increase my online presence, rather than going to a website and investing a lot of money there, I can simply list my business on various of the business listing websites, and they will help me to increase my online presence. Basically the basically need and the advantage that you get over the SEO or having your own website is that once you have your own website, you have to do its SEO, search engine optimization as well, to get on the top results. However, in case of business listing, all those websites like Google business listing, Yellow Pages, Just Dial have their good domain authority and page authority and are ranking quite at a good high number when it comes to the search engine result page. So if you list your business over there, then you can easily get a boost on your online presence. So instead of investing on your website, invest on business listing websites. Some time on business listing website, they will easily give you some good leads and hence will add in your revenue. Okay, so let's get started with the next aspect that we have, the business listing on Google Maps. So the Google Maps is of utmost importance when it comes to business listing. Let's get started with it. So we have its definition, that is Google listing a business over Google Maps is known as the Google listing. Steps to register. So for this we have a detailed description on our website. You have to visit there as well, and in the next lecture we will be having a practical aspect. So there we will be doing the registration online. And how to link on high linking website is that how to rank high. So rank high is the different criteria, because there will be some competition over the business listing website, that you have to compete with others to get a good rank on those websites of your business, of your competitors, among your competitors. So for that you must have a good rating, good reviews by the customer who have actually visited your business, visited your offline store and have a good experience, and they could rate you, they could put a good review, and hence in this way you can have a good high rank in your business listing result. So this was about the business listing. Thank you so much for giving us your time. Looking forward to presence on the next practical lecture.